Okay, this video I'll show you how to convert fraction to decimal. Okay, so usually we just divide the numerator by the denominator, and that's the way you actually convert fraction to decimal. So on the right side I'm going to show you actually how you can do the long division. So 4 is outside, which is divisor, and 1 is inside, that's the dividend. 4 goes to 1. No, it cannot be. Another word, 1 is not divisible by 4 evenly. Okay, so we should get a 0 once I put down decimal on the quotient, right? Now 4 goes to 10. Another word, 10 divided by 4 is 2 is the maximum, so it's going to give you 8. Okay, and 10 take away 8 is 2, and of course 4 doesn't go to 2, so we need 0. So I'm going to have a decimal here, that means, sorry, 0 here. So you know that I just get a 0 because I have a decimal up here. That's the reason. Okay, so 4 goes to 25 times, which is 20. Okay, so remainder is 0. So some of you say, oh, I already know 1/4 is equal to 25 cents. Absolutely, that is fine. But when problem gets a little bit annoying, right? Like, you'll see a couple of more problem, then you need this long division. Okay, so this is going to be 0.25. All right, so that's how you actually convert into decimal. Let's take a look on the next problem, which is 3 out of 15. So you know what, I'm going to do the same thing here. So 15 goes outside and 3 is inside. Okay, so 15 doesn't go to 3, so we need a decimal, so I have a 30. So 15 goes to twice, which is 30. Okay, so 0.2, this remainder is 0, so I can actually put down a little bit a line here, so that work is for that one. And if I have another one here, okay, good. So clearly we can write down here as a 0.20. Okay, 0.20, that's the decimal. Now we don't need anything else to do. Okay, let's take a look on the 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 is basically 2 over 5. I think some of you already know how to do this, but again I'm going to show you the long division here, right? 5 and 2. 5 doesn't go evenly to 2, and of course you get 0. 5 goes to 4 times, which is 20. That is lovely. So guess what? We can have this one as a 0.40. That means 40 cents. Okay, 40 cents. All right. Okay, now we're going to go to the next one. Let's take a look here. How do the next one? So, in my earlier couple of videos, I said, if you have a mixed fraction, right, you want to convert it to decimal or percentage. First thing, you convert to decimal. How do you do that? You keep the same whole number, and this one down here, I want to show you again, this one down here, this one is going to go this side. Okay, so how can we come up with a decimal from 1 over 8? So 8 doesn't go to 1, so I have a 0. 8 times 1 is 8, have a 2. It doesn't go to 2, so we got a 0. 8 goes to twice, which is 16, and remainder is 4. It doesn't go, we need a 0. 8 times 5 is 40. We need a multiplication table. So please, if you don't know the multiplication table, it's important you know the multiplication table. Okay, so of course the remainder is 0. So now what is coming up, as you clearly see, that is going to come up here. So you write down this here. Okay, 1, well, you already have a decimal, so you write down 125. Okay, that is going to be 0.125. So here you go. Now I'm going to write this down here. Okay, this is going to be 3.125. Bingo, that is our answer on this one. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Thank you very much for watching this video.